Midaco's got about 10 different pallet changers on display here today. What we're standing in front of is a 50 by 20 pallet changer. This would go on the side of just about any vertical machining center. And the benefit of the Midaco pallet changer is that basically you double the real estate of your machine tool. So we give you two complete pallets, 50 by 20. One is always inside the machine, machining parts. One is always outside on the shuttle. The real benefit is, of course, the ergonomics of it. You're not leaning inside a machine tool to load parts. You don't have coolant mist. You don't have things of that nature. We're in front of the Midaco auto door system. And what this does is, Midaco can help you automate just about any door, whether it's a vertical machining center, a CNC lathe. So when a cycle starts, you hit the cycle start, the door closes. At the end of the cycle, M-code, the door opens. Midaco builds all the safety aspects into the door closer also. It comes with its own safety. We're standing in front of a Midaco 40 by 20 pallet changer. It has a universal robot mounted to it, so it's a very nice addition to your labor force. What Midaco is trying to show here is the fact that everybody's interested in robots and automation. We want to be part of that. We don't want you to forget that loading one part at a time inside of a machine tool is not nearly as productive as loading a pallet full of parts, introducing it into the work environment, and have a much longer walk-away time. Regardless if a robot is loading or a man is loading, the idea is to keep the spindle running.